What's going on, guys? All right, so it's the end of the week, Sunday. How's everything looking this week? Let's take a quick look. I'm going to try to keep it quick. I am going down to Atlantic City for a day or two with a lady friend of mine. If anybody's down there and you want to meet up, talk some crypto, have a few drinks, maybe play some cards, hit me up. But let's look at the charts real quick. I'm not gonna let's see, hold on. I'm not gonna really look at too many of the coins because most of them are under the cloud, right? Under the Tankinson, under the Kijinson, on the weekly, on the daily. So I'm not gonna focus on a lot of these coins, right? The market's still looking like shit. Hopefully we'll see a rebound this week. But for the most part, you know, I'd stay out of most of these coins right now because they're not looking good. Hopefully, you know, a lot of them are at the bottom of the are in oversold territory, and they look like they're about to come out and come back up to the Tankinson or maybe even the Kijinson. But right now, I'm just staying out of them, like a lot of these, right? They just came out. They look like they're crossing over, so we might see run back up to the Tankinson or the Kijinson on a lot of these coins. But while the market's looking like this, right? This one, Doge's and oversold. Looks like it's about to come back up a little bit. But today I'm going to focus on the stuff we're in and the stuff that's giving a signal. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin on the weekly. So we just closed below the span. We're in the cloud, right? But this candle's starting above the cloud. So let's see if we get a rebound back up this week. Otherwise, I'd be looking, you know, unfortunately, we just closed also below this support here. So let's see what Bitcoin does. Hopefully it picks back up right here and just kind of works its way up. Otherwise, I'd be looking for 37, 38,000 this week. Let's see how we start this week. Daily, same thing. We just came out of oversold. We just crossed over. The Fisher is crossing over. So hopefully we get a bounce back here. Right now, I'd only be looking for a move back up to 44,000, and we'll see what happens from there. 44, maybe 44.5. Eth's crossing over. Not on the Fisher yet. So we may get some play back up to 3,400. But this is, right now, I'm just looking at a short-term relief, right? Just back up to the Tankinson, which would put us back somewhere around 3,400 on Eth. Let's look at Link. Link's looking beautiful. I thought we were going to close above the cloud today. We didn't. The last 3 hours, this wick came back down. So we're right at the 37.50 line. If it breaks above, I think we'll see $34 on Link. So Link is still looking really good. We just got the flip of the cloud. The Chico span's above price from back here. You know, hopefully we don't bounce off of here and head back down. All right, because this is going to act as resistance without a doubt. So if we break through, I think we'll see 34.70, somewhere around there. Adam's coming back down to support. As long as we're above 32.50, I'm still okay. We're still in the trade. 3250 is the 50% Fibonacci level. If we went down to 61 Fibonacci level, would put us around, so you could see Kijun X is a 50% Fibonacci. If we go down to 61, that would put us around 2960. So I'm still in Atom, still holding it, not getting rid of it yet. Let's look at what we are getting signals on today. BAL we were getting a signal on. The Chico span just broke through the Kijun, which is a good sign. Price is above the Kijun and Tenkan. We are in the cloud, however. You know how I feel about trading in the cloud. And but I do like, you know, we're in this descending channel, right? We came down and then a lower high, lower low. I think we'll possibility come back up to the 23 area, make a lower high again. So if you would to take this, I would definitely be taking my profits, some profits at 21.50, and then somewhere around $23, and I'd get out of this trade if I did take it. I'm not going to take it personally. I just don't like the way the rest of the market's looking. It's not worth the risk for me. ICP was giving me a signal. We just broke out of this descending wedge yesterday, so I got the signal on this candle right here. I didn't take it. I wasn't around that day looking at the markets, but if I did, I'd be 10% in profit right now. The Chico span's above price. It also broke through the Kijun, so I could see a move back up to 40 bucks. That's would be my first take profit anyway, and then we are going to definitely hit some resistance, right? Because this area acted as support for all this right here, and we fell below it. Now it's going to act as resistance when we get back up to it. So I definitely take 50% off the table, move the rest to break even, just in case this thing wants to get rejected here and come back down. So that is what I'm looking at on ICP. I would have took it tonight, but I was busy making this video, so I'm not going to get into it. It's $3 move left on it, as far as I'm concerned. Nothing else really happening, guys. So BAL and ICP, only two I was getting signals on. Anything else? MATIC might come back up, right? MATIC's been in this ascending channel for quite some time. We just hit the bottom of it 2 days ago. We just broke back above the cloud. But this is more of a ranging because the Kijun is headed up, Tenkan-sen's heading down. So that's telling me we're more in a range. But the spans are both aimed up, so it looks like we could bounce from here. Wouldn't be a bad trade to take, but if we broke out of this channel on the downside, I'd definitely get out of it. And that's all I'm looking at tonight, guys. Nothing else doing, and let's just see how the beginning of the week starts with Bitcoin and ETH, and get an idea if we're going to see some more upside or downside. But it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I'm not comfortable where the market is. Most of the coins are looking like crap right now. So trade safely, guys. I will talk to you in a few days, and I'll see you later. Hopefully I'll win some money at AC. And like I said, if you're down there, you see this video tonight or tomorrow, you want to hit me up, feel free to hit me up on my Twitter or whatever, and we'll meet up. All right? Talk to you soon. Good night.